So me and Marcos traded cars for a week because I basically had to go to school every single day and he had to drive the kids around. I cleaned out his car and filled it up with gas. This is how it was returned to me. Emptied the gas light. I have 7 miles left and look at this place. Yeah, you. We're talking about you.
Tu madre is such a pain in the butt.
Cutie pie. You're eating candy? Just throw it on the floor, mine's well. Thank you, baby, for doing this.
Mommy!
What?
Give
me kisses back. Give me kisses back. Hey, I need to kiss my boy!
You got a red medal.
Bye, Bubbles.
Let's go.
See ya, monkey. Love you. Wait, come here. Come here really quick.
You're with Daddy.
Yeah, come here. Ooh. Come here. Come closer. Beautiful girl. Give a kiss.